Hello everyone, I'm the big fan of Avenger, and today I will try to make some food look like in Avenger style, and you can try to make it at home for the children this weekend. So you can see broccoli here, this, some cheese, we make Iron Man, tomato, some sausage, and bread, and ham. Get the onion rings. Cover with some small star like this. Use the paper to cut this. And this I will make home ice bowl. And this one made from cucumber. So Iron Man fry, I will make from breast, a slice of ham. So the fry. And hope they will be strong like Avenger. Please like and subscribe for my channel. See you.